If you're frustrated with your business's finances, this is the time. Take action. Hang in there with me. Watch this video. Email me at scott@thegrowthleague.com. Get a copy of my 5-section assessment to help you plan to get your finances in order in your business. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name's Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in their businesses, and to build something they can sell for a lot of money someday when they decide it's time to move on. I spoke at 2 conferences, Restoration Business Owners, last month, and this was a huge topic of conversation. No one in either of the groups felt like they really had 100% financial house in order peace of mind. So I put together an assessment that I've been using with clients for years. There's 5 parts to it. It's set up like a checklist so that you can go through, check off things that you already feel like you're proficient in, and then also put a date next to the ones that you want to kind of get under your belt and implement. Here are the 5 areas of the assessment. The first one is foundation. Just making sure that you've got a solid enough accounting/bookkeeping terminology understanding. The second part is the structure, making sure that QuickBooks, and if you're using a production management platform, making sure that these are set up in a way that you can get meaningful information out of them. The third, once you've got the setup correct, now you've got to make sure that you've got the bookkeeping discipline. What has to happen weekly, daily, monthly, quarterly, annually? Getting that on autopilot so that you know it's happening consistently and it's being checked for your accuracy. So now you've got it set up correctly and you've got the bookkeeping discipline down. Now it's really what we want to get to. Using that meaningful information that we can get out of reporting to be able to make decisions. Understand what's going well in the business, what's not going well in the business. Understanding which employees are performing well financially for the business. Maybe some are, maybe some aren't. You're able to put together performance-based incentive plans so that your team is aligned like you are to be profitable. Number 5, this last section is about protecting you, the business owner, and the business from mistakes, from dishonesty. Getting controls in place that you're looking at on a regular basis to make sure that everything is going as it should. Okay, I know that's a lot. It really isn't though. If you just look at it and take it one piece at a time, before you know it, you're gonna feel like you can breathe, you can relax, that you've got things under control. Email me at scott@thegrowthleague.com. I'll send you a copy of the assessment. Book a call with me. I'll walk you through it, either before or after you go through the assessment. And just trust me, you're gonna feel so much better once you start making progress in this area. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.